Today I'll tell you all about constellations. A constellation is a group of stars that appears to form a pattern or a picture. Constellations are easily recognizable patterns that help people orient themselves using the night sky. There are 88 official constellations. They look like this. Stars that are distributed in space in 3 dimensions. The stars are all different distances from Earth. They are in a constellation that appear to be in the same plane because we are viewing from Earth. But we are actually very far away. Stars vary greatly in size, distance from Earth, and temperature. Dimmer stars may be smaller, farther away, or cooler than the brighter stars. By the same token, the brightest stars are not necessarily the closest. How are constellations named? Most of the constellation names you know came from the ancient Middle Eastern, Greek, and Roman cultures. They identified clusters of stars as gods, goddesses, animals, and objects of their stories. It is important to understand that these were not the only cultures populating the night sky with characters important to their lives. In 1930, the International Astronomical Union officially listed 88 modern and ancient constellations. One of the ancient constellations was divided into 3 parts and drew a boundary around each. The boundary edges meet, dividing the imaginary sphere, the celestial sphere, surrounding Earth into 88 pieces. Astronomers consider any star within a constellation boundary to be part of that constellation, even if it is not part of the actual picture. It looks like this. If observed through the year, the constellations shift gradually to the west. This is caused by the Earth's orbit around our Sun. In the summer, viewers are looking in a different direction in space at night than they are during the winter. What are the famous zodiacs? Earth orbits our Sun once each year. Viewed from Earth, our Sun appears to trace a circular path. This path defines a plane called the plane of the ecliptic, or just the ecliptic. The zodiac is the group of constellations that fall along the plane of the ecliptic. It is through these constellations that our Sun appears to pass during the year. While there are 12 astrological constellations of the zodiac, there are 13 astronomical zodiac constellations: Capricornus, Aquarius, Pisces, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpius, Sagittarius, and Epicurus. The annual cycle of the zodiac was used by ancient cultures to determine the time of year. These are them. Other than that, here are some examples and pictures of constellations for you to understand them better. Overall, thank you for watching this, and I hope you learned something.